Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a free logo using Zarla. I know a number of people are familiar with creating logos using Canva, but in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a core logo using Zarla. Okay, so let's just get right into that. To get started, go on Google, type Zarla.com, and then click on the one that says www.zarla.com. Click on the Zarla, the free logo maker. Click on that. Right after that, you see a page that says create a free logo with Zarla. Right here, you will enter your brand name and create your free logo. After clicking on the create your free logo icon, it takes you to this page where you're being asked what your logo is for. You can insert what your logo is for. If you're a business owner, if you're into furniture, if you're a restaurant owner, or if you're a supplier, a dealer, whatever kind of business you're doing, this is the part where you just have to click on that, and this kind of creates and chooses some kind of colors or icons that may be applicable to your kind of business. So in this video I would just be writing that I'm into furniture making. Mega Jones Enterprise is a furniture making company, and here it says tell us about yourself. So we have our brand name written already. Here is asking that we put a slogan. So here the slogan for Mega Jones Enterprise is that we give our best. Yeah, so we give our best is the slogan. So it depends on what the slogan for your company is. You can decide to put that, or you can decide not to. It's optional. You click on next. Having answered the tell us about yourself question, you click on next, and then it takes you to a page where it asks, or is asking you, why do you need a logo? You have three options here. You can either click on I sell products, I offer services, or I will be starting a business soon. Either of the ones that suits your current situation, you can click on that as the reason why you need a logo. Having clicked on that, then you click on submit to go to the next stage. After clicking on that, you get asked by a couple of other questions like, would you like to customize an icon? All of these questions have been asked to help you create the perfect logo for your business. Having clicked on any of the icons, you get shown this page where it shows you like a variety of logos that have been created for your business. You can scroll through everything to see which you would like to actually use for your business, or for the reason why you're creating a logo in the first place. This page shows you a variety of templates and logos you can choose from, and you can decide to select from any of them as the logo you decide to work with. So here we're working with this. This takes you to this page where you can see a couple of icons and features that you can work with. So and to also edit some of the features. You can see right here, you can edit the icon, you can edit the name, you can edit the slogan, you can edit a whole lot of things in this part. So this is the part where you also get to see a lot of icons and resources that you can be able to work with for your in the creation of your logo. On this page as well, you get a chance to see how your logo would appear on a couple of items. As you can see how it appears on the phone, on the t-shirt, on the mug. I mean, like different items you might decide to put your logo on. This is the place where you get to see how your logo would possibly do on those items. You can also have the chance to change the color of your logo at this point. Like I said, this is the point where you get to see a lot of features and places where you can change a couple of things that you are not so comfortable with on your logo. You can work with any of them. You can play around it in order to be able to get the best version of the logo that you want for your business or for whatever need you are creating the logo for. You can also decide to change the background. If you do not like the white background, you can decide to change it to any color of your choice. It really depends on what you're looking at doing, and like I said, this shows you exactly how your logo would look like on possibly a t-shirt, on whatever correspondences you might want to use, on mugs, on any items that you might want to brand, even on your company website or on your company social media platforms. This is the point where you get to see everything as it appears. So here we're using like a variety of colors so that you are able to, select the perfect one for your needs. Having played around this, the moment you get comfortable with the kind of logo you want, it means you're done. So you then go to entering your email address. So Zarla would usually send your logos to your email address. I think this is just for them to be able to send you subsequent emails, and just kind of, I think it's sort of their email marketing strategy to keep you. The moment you have been able to enter your email address, you click on free download, and this sends your logo straight to your email address. The email address you input there, you get to see your logo there. So email address now to show you the logo that we have just created. Checking my email address now, I can see a mail from Zarla and it says download your logo package. So I'll click on that. Logo field. I'll click on that, and here I can see exactly what Zarla has sent me. It says download logo files. So I just click on download logo files. As you can see, now Zarla takes me to their page again. I get to see the free logo that I had chosen from the Zarla website. So I get to this page, I get to see the logo that I already created. Now what Zarla does is it gives me 3 options I can download from. So I can actually download the 3. It depends on which I find more preferable. In this part, I'm going to be downloading the black logo. I think I want that. Now you can do more with Zarla if you are on the paid version. This is just the free version where you get to create a logo for yourself. Now once that is downloaded, I will show you what we have created. This is a very simple logo. You can play around this and come out with something more sophisticated than this if you so wish. Now this is the logo we created and the one we downloaded. Now you can always go back to the Zarla page to check and re-download any of the ones you might prefer. If you do not want this one, you can always select any of them to have either of them for your business or for whatever needs you might be requiring a logo for. And that will be the end of this video. I hope you found this very useful, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and please do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.